So I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5.5mm crochet hook. I'm gonna start with a magic loop, slip knot, sorry. And I'm gonna chain any number. So the number you will chain is the one which is related to your project. For this demonstration, I'm gonna only chain 11. Okay, so we'll skip 2 chains, and on the 3rd chain I will yarn over, insert the hook into the loop, pull through. I've got 3 loops, pull through all. That's the first half double crochet done with a chain 2. The next loop, yarn over, insert the hook, pull through all 3, and I'll continue the same. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull through all. That's half double crochet. I will continue till the end of the row. And the last chain. And this is the first row completed. On to the next row, which will be the same in every row going up. I'm gonna chain 2 and turn my work. So you see these holes here, these are the one we're gonna work in. So these are the stitches in the 2nd row, and if you look at it like this, they will be like V's. So whenever you work, you will insert in both V's like this. Okay, so we said chain 2, again yarn over, insert the hook in the 1st stitch, pull through all, the same, yarn over into the next stitch, the last stitch, same thing, and this is 2nd row completed. Same thing onto the next row, chain 2, and we repeat the same thing. Yarn over, insert the hook into the 1st stitch, pull through all, and again we keep repeating. And once you're done with the work, you just make a loop and you cut your thread, and that's it. The work is done. So this is how we do half double crochet stitch. I hope the tutorial was clear. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Bye bye.